Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hilton San Antonio Hill Country. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Nestled among the rolling hills of San Antonio, Texas, this resort-style hotel features exceptional amenities, including gourmet restaurants, and is close to popular attractions, including the Alamo. Guests can experience modern living while staying at the Hilton San Antonio Hill Country. With 3 swimming pools, a seasonal pool bar, outdoor fire pits and state-of-the-art fitness facilities, every stay is sure to be enjoyable and relaxing. This property offers nightly s'mores by the fire pits, mega chess, pool volleyball, pool basketball, Texas cookouts on the weekend and many more activities. Hilton San Antonio Hill Country is ideally placed only a short drive from the San Antonio International Airport. The numerous shops, restaurants and entertainment options of the Riverwalk as well as SeaWorld are also easily accessible. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.